What am I doing? It's Monday, March 4th, 14:21 in the afternoon, and I'm here explaining to my nurse who came by to pick up something from wherever about how the difference is between the Sharp 96, or I'm sorry, this is a 9494 versus a 505. And just a update, if you will, because I was just at the point of installing this and having to go find another belt for the tape counter. Okay, so I'm here trying to give him an education on this is what I have, and this is on the top of the line 9797. And I have this one which I'm trying to sell. It just needs a motor, but he came here to pick up the thing that he and I bought together, right?
As a brother.
Yeah, which is this. Oh my God, I never opened it. There it is. It's a package of stuff that. So let's get the. Anyway, it looks like that, and yes, it's been shipped from God knows where, but anyway, so came from AliExpress, and these are 3 meters long each, and they're 3 meters long. They're USB Type A extensions is what they are, and I got them because I need them for my other room for my mouse, for where the computer is put. And anyway, I told him about it, and he was like, oh, you know, because if you go to your local store to buy these extensions in a 10-foot size, they're like $30. And here I found them on AliExpress. Of course, you have to wait a month to get them, but they are only $8 each. So I was like, here we go. So I got 3, and he got 3, and we made sure that they're sealed. So these are 3 meters, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, right? There's my 3, and then here in this bag there's 2 more, nothing else in the bag. So here is, I got my 3, right? And let's see, I can't do this. Well, I got 2 hands. So I got 3, he got 3, right? So here. Yeah, there's that hand. See the hand in the camera? It's like, yeah.
Thank you, James.
There you go.
Thank you, James, my brother.
Yeah.
I appreciate him.
This is my nurse.
Somebody need to get me some things that are very good for mine to use.
So these are.
I do appreciate him.
Yeah, so they're 3 meters. They're braided. The main thing is that they conduct data. They're the high-speed variety. Of course, as you can see, it doesn't say anything on the package other than that, and it came from AliExpress, and that's all I know. So I waited until he got here to open this happy little thing. Here, give me that. I don't want them to see the address on the darn thing. Oh, you want the bag?
I want the bag.
You can have the bag. Okay, here. Just don't show the address.
Okay.
Oh yeah, so these should be, of course now, since they've been coiled up like this, you want to maybe take them out and like hang them somewhere so they'll straighten on their own or something. But well, that's decent like that.
Can we check in
I've been
AliExpress?
working on this, just taking my zillions of pictures as I take that apart. Just this is what I've been doing. I haven't even got all my pictures in here, but there's. I would really like to know what the hell these blue things are. I don't know what they are, but the screws and how they come out and the sizes and then getting the screws out, getting that off. Don't go this way trying to take that thing out. But yeah, oh, that's right. I got to put that back on. Hope I didn't lose that. So yeah. Yep. Really.
You clean it already?
Yeah, well, I had to put new parts in it. That's the whole thing here. Yeah, don't go this way because you're trying to get to this thing, and in the other model, I can't remember which one it was, and yes, I caught that little washer there. But you would unscrew it from the other side and then remove this whole thing, and then you could just manipulate it in your hand, but like, no, oh, you're not even seeing that. But it doesn't matter. I'll do another video later. But so and then, then the all the springs here are not. See here, that one, this one, that one, that one, were all out of place. The only one that was in place is this one. That's the only one in place. So it's like someone's been in here before me. You know, so because they don't come out. Is that the last picture? What happened? Yeah, the computer froze up. Anyway, that's all we know.
Okay.
What?
Check AliExpress. That's
We
our
gotta go
website.
AliExpress.
Yeah, we check
Well, here. Where's AliExpress? There it is. Go here.
the car chargers.
Okay, now we're. So what are you looking for now?
Car chargers.
Car chargers. Why don't you do this at your own place?
Just listen up first. Is there anything bad in working with a brother?
You see, okay, well, we got to turn this thing off because we can't be having the world knowing what you're trying to buy, right? So, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Just a little update on the Sharp GF-505SB. Bye-bye.